Hi, today in front of you HONOR X7A and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. First, open the control panel and find the screen recorder option. Just click on the screen recorder to activate it. Click while using the app. Tap to OK. So now just to turn on or turn off the microphone, we should click here to this microphone icon. Okay, so let's click to get it. Here when we'll see the microphone is in a blue color, so this means that the microphone is activated. Just to turn it off, click on the microphone icon. Now we'll switch to the cross mic and we can see that it's turned off. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.